Hello viewers, welcome back to Yalnidhi channel. Today we are going to learn about how to create a data sheet with automatically detecting pass or fail. You can see here I have a name list. If I enter the mark below 50, it will detect as a fail mark and it will automatically detect here. It will enter as fail. If I enter the mark above 50 or equal to 50, it will detect as pass mark and it will enter as pass here, like this. Let us see how to do it. Enter equal to, type if function. Here the logical test is, these are all the subjects. It has to be entered with a less than or equal, greater than or equal to 50, so that it will consider as pass. If the mark is below 50, it will consider as fail. So here we are having 6 subjects, so I am going to use it as and again open a bracket, select this subject. It should be greater than or equal to 50. This is logic 1, and the second logic is this subject. Again it should be greater than or equal to 50. So check out this formula. Each subject has to be given greater than or equal to 250. After that, the true value is pass and the false value should be fail. So if the pass marks comes, the pass word has to be here. If it is any one of the subject is less than 50, it will consider as fail. So now press enter and drag this, it will come as fail. Why this fail subject is highlighted with red is, so I have used the conditional formatting. So highlight cell rules, it contains fail, so it will highlight as fail. Likewise here, if any subject is less than 50, it will consider as highlighted. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Keep watching Yalnidhi channel, subscribe Yalnidhi channel, and like, comment and share. Thank you for